guys, and welcome to a True Talk with T. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I come once in a while, once a week, once in 2 weeks, once a month sometimes, because I can also go gayab with this video, and I come and share with you कि life में क्या चल रहा है, दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, basically what are the thoughts, what's happening, etc, etc. I think you've got the point. So yeah, let's start with it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second and hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by doing so. And if you are already a part of this channel, then thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so well, काफ़ी चीज़ें चल रही हैं आजकल. Actually, I've been very busy. If you have been following my shorts, थोड़ा बहुत तो आइडिया होगा. My best friend's getting married next week. हाय, कितने जल्दी जल्दी बड़े हो गए, बिल्कुल वैसी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. It's so surreal yet so beautiful. So obviously I want to spend some time with her. Obviously शादी की तैयारियां भी बहुत होती है, outfits, getting things, यहाँ वहाँ, संगीत, the most important bit, and obviously you know I'm handling the संगीत because ये तो हमारा कॉलेज से डिसाइडेड था, you know, शादी उसकी संगीत में. I do this to like very few very close people to me, but they know the drill. शादी उनकी संगीत में. बट हाँ, संगीत ऑर्गेनाइज करना पड़ता है ना, काफ़ी सारे लोग होते हैं, काफ़ी सारे गाने होते हैं. इनफैक्ट फन जोक, मेरा गाना हुआ नहीं है एंड शादी नेक्स्ट वीक है. वी डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोना हैपन नाउ, बट होपफुली मेरा हो जाए लास्ट मिनट पे भी. एंड आप वो परफॉर्मेंस देखोगे बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मैं यूट्यूब पर डालूंगा एंड आई होप आपको अच्छा लगेगा मैंने डाला तो. बट एनीवेज, ये तो हो गई वो बात. उसके वजह से एक्चुअली यहाँ पे भी आई नो थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट पड़ा है इन टर्म्स की, थोड़ा थोड़ा लेट आ रहा है. ऑल्सो यू गाइज वुड रिमेंबर दिसंबर में आई हैड सेड दैट आई रियली वांट टू लुक आउट फॉर वीडियो एडिटिंग इंटर्न और समबडी हु कैन हेल्प मी विद वीडियो एडिटिंग. वो भी काइंड ऑफ बैक सीट पे चला गया बिकॉज द एप्लीकेशंस वी गॉट बैक देन वर okay, like they were good. I will never say anybody's bad, but they just did not fit the requirements that we had. तो उसको वापस to look out for it. I want to be a little bit more available. So I was like कि शादी हो जाने दो. Then from 26-27 January, we'll hopefully get back to that, hopefully. Because it's honestly something that's really taking a lot of time, because a lot of my time currently is going in, you know, doing the most necessary in terms of YouTube, in terms of content. And then of course, you know, we have our customization plans, our consultation calls. That obviously is like very very important to me. And then obviously the sangeet, the shadi. तो यार थोड़ा सा tiring period चल रहा है. I'm getting very tired like by the night. तो I'm like अब इस वीडियो के बाद मैं वही वीडियो बनाऊंगी चिनई. Anyways, ये सब होता रहेगा. I also wanted to share with you something, by the way. Congratulations to everybody who passed their CFA Level 1 November 2024 attempt yesterday. I'm so proud of all of you. And for all of you who did not pass, let me just tell you, great things come fast, but very great things take a lot of time. So agar nahi hua hai, then just think that very great things are meant for you. I know it's easier said than done. It's gonna feel very bad, but just I hope you're able to hold on with that thought. Kal level 2 के भी result आ रहे हैं, so all the best to all of you. Wishing you just all the success, all the luck and all the happiness and content feeling. I hope you just feel that. इसी से एक बात याद आई मुझे, कल रिजल्ट का दिन था. दो चीज़ें बोलूँगी. एक तो ना पता नहीं क्यों पूरे दिन मुझे बहुत, how to put it out, you know, I kind of went into that zone of my recent result day. Let's not get into that, but you guys know. And I don't know, I couldn't brush it off also. होता है वैसे भी, आप लोगों का रिजल्ट आता है ना, मुझे somewhere I just feel like that anxiousness. But anyway, keeping that aside, result आया and शाम होते ही मतलब around 7:30 max 8 तक I got quite a few messages. Some of you messaged me on YouTube also. Some of you have gone to my Instagram and messaged me. Some of my known clients WhatsApped me, the ones who took the November 2024 challenge. And I realized at that moment that why I do what I do, literally, you know, because I feel like it felt so good. And I'm not talking just about the passing messages. There are people who even, you know, told me about unfortunately not passing and how that story, you know, what they were thinking, what they were feeling. Basically, just to be a part of someone's thought at that time when you're extremely happy or extremely sad, that thought कि इसको बताना है. It made me feel like yes, शायद YouTube करके मैंने कोई गलत काम नहीं किया. Because you know, of late I was so tired with everything. Multiple things have been going around in my head mentally also. I do not want to talk about it right now. Since quite some time. तो मैं अक्सर सोचती हूँ कि यार गलत तो नहीं कर रही हूँ. Should I maybe cut down? Should I not do YouTube? What am I doing? You know, sometimes these thoughts kind of come when you're very tired, when you're overwhelmed, when you're doing it alone. But yesterday, it really made me feel like you know, this is why I'm doing it, to feel this love, to give this love out. Because like I said, to be in anyone's thought, that immediate thought, or at least, you know, in that initial time of thought, when they're so happy or very sad and they think about Tanishka and they feel कि हमें आके Tanishka को बताना है, that feeling is just like, it's surreal. And I just want to thank all of you, like thank you for letting me be a part of your life this way. I think मैं कहती थी that हमारा YouTube family है, but आप लोगों ने निभा के दिखाया what a family is. So thank you for that. Thank you. I will eternally be grateful for that. And I always say this कि YouTube से शायद जो सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे एक चीज़ मिली है, that is love and blessings. Truly, like even when I did not pull through level 3, it was you guys, your love, which, you know, brought that small smile on my face after, you can say, 36 hours, 24 hours. And I'm eternally grateful to all of you for that. So thank you. थोड़ा सा सेंटी जोन में जा रहा है, सो विल स्टॉप दैट. चलो एक अनाउंसमेंट कर देती हूँ बाय द वे. इसी बहाने February 2024 CFA level 1, the last month study challenge is going to begin on 21st January. If you haven't registered, this is your last chance. We will not be accepting applicants after this Sunday, that is 19th January. That's literally the last day for you to apply and pay for it. Some of you, by the way, have applied. In fact, quite a few of you have applied. But I think there are some people जिनका email ID गलत आया है, because of which we are not able to contact you. So if you are that person who has applied for the challenge or who's wanted to participate in the challenge, but you haven't received any email again because maybe, you know, your email ID that you put is wrong, गलती से हो जाता है, please drop us a message on Instagram. Remember, with your name and email ID, because if your name is not a part of that form, then you'll have to refill the form. That's a rule. Alternatively, you can just fill the form again. I'm putting the link in the description box. So if you want to be a part of this channel, and by the way, it's really been helpful. अगस्त के बैच को हेल्प किया, नवंबर वाले बच्चों ने मुझे सामने से आके बोला that challenge was so helpful for them because they were able to form a community, the accountability, the relatability, the last minute tips. It's just, it always helps, you know. It's like एक से भले दो, दो से भले group. So that's how we work in that challenge, and believe me, you're not gonna regret the decision. It is also pretty economical. You get 4 group sessions with me as well. I'm heading those sessions in less than 1,000 rupees. So I think it's pretty affordable in the economy that we're living in. So if you're interested in that, do not forget to register for it. I'm also planning to come live very soon. I'm not confirming the date. Might be Friday. This Friday might be, or might be next week. We'll figure it out, but I will definitely come live soon. एंड यस, आज के वीडियो में बस यही लाइफ अपडेट्स चल रहे हैं. बहुत बिजी चल रहा है. अभी संगीत के प्रैक्टिस करना है मुझे, आउटफिट्स अपना पक्का करना है. आई कांट वेट टू शो यू गाइज द आउटफिट्स एंड द संगीत्स एंड द इंटायर शादी का ब्लॉग. आई होप जैसे मैंने मन में अपने आप को देखा है ना आउटफिट्स में, वैसे वो आउटफिट्स देखे आप सब भी. प्लीज़ इस चीज़ के लिए पे करना. गर्ल्स विल 1000% रिलेट. Okay, once again, all the best to all the CFA level 2 candidates. Don't worry, I have not forgotten about you. And of course, आपके messages का भी कल इंतजार रहेगा. Whatever it is, good, bad, ugly, I am always going to be proud of you. I am always there for you. And on that note, I'm ending this video. If you liked it, then what are you waiting for? Quickly go share, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe. थोड़ा हमारे numbers बढ़ेंगे तो शायद YouTube थोड़ा मेरे साथ अच्छा होगा, तो फिर मैं से happy होंगी तो आपको भी happy करूँगी. तो please subscribe. I'll see you very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.